Hello everyone. Today we're going to replace a screen for HP laptop. That's the one, completely shuttered. Let me check if there is any power. As you can see, this is completely gone. So we're going to replace it today. And let's check the model number first. This is HP 14-CK Charlie Kilo 599SA. Alright, so let's start. Alright, so first make sure your machine is turned off. And okay, we're gonna turn it off. Press and hold. Alright, it seems it's completely turned off. Now use your fingertips like that, and slowly you need to go all the way. There is some kinds of adhesive there. You need to be careful when you do that. Gently. Yeah, so this is called front plastic bezel. Comes with adhesive in there. Keep it on the side. And now we need a kind of Phillips screwdriver. Sometimes, not always. Example, this model, you don't need any screwdriver because the screen doesn't have any screws on the top or bottom. So what they did is, nowadays they do it. Can you see the black strip? If you can go and check. Okay, one and one, two here. Okay, these are actually adhesive, which one keeps the screen with the back lid. All right, so how are you going to remove it? I'm going to show you. First, put it like that. All right, take a kind of tweezer and stuff like that and try to pull this out in that way. Can you see that? Something like this. Look, so nice and smooth. Wow. Interesting. Okay. Right, so one of them already removed. Let's take the second one. We need another tweezer. Much easier in that way. So roll it up. Right. So now the screen is absolutely fine. We can pull this out. As you can see, there is nothing on it. So just put it down in that way and try to remove that adhesive. Very careful when you use any sharp tool. Okay, so this one remote. Alright, so this one, if you check it, the size, this is 12 and 2. So this is 14-inch one with the 30-pin connector on it. Also, you can find out how big it is with the model number. Example, this one says Bravo 140 HN04. So this 14 means that is 14-inch, and the connector is on right hand side with 30 pin. So now we're going to replace it. So the display cable already connected, and now we're going to apply some double-sided tape, not too much, just to keep it upright, you know. So that much, that's more than enough. Don't do too much. Okay, a little bit in here. Fine. Okay, so now we're going to peel this off. And I left some tape anyway, the black tape, okay, just to keep it balanced. Okay, so now we're gonna put it there. Okay, that's fine. Peel this off. Right. Right. Let's close the front bezel. Looks like completely closed, which looks great. Okay, so now we're going to turn it on to check, because you know we pushed it here because sometimes it could damage the actual screen also. Okay, turn it on and check. Yeah, so that's how you fix the screen for HP. The model number is 14-CK0599SA. Still, if you do have any question regarding this model, please leave it in the comment section, and please do not forget to like and subscribe. I hope I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.